Cannoli Sicilian Ricotta Pastry. Ingredients. For the cannoli shells. Oil, for deep frying. 2 cups cake flour. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1/4 cup granulated sugar. 8 tablespoons lard. 1 tablespoon rum. 1 tablespoon honey. Pinch salt. ½ teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1 large egg. 1 to 2 tablespoons cold water. Egg wash, 2 eggs whisked with 2 tablespoons water. For the cannoli filling. 1 pound dry ricotta, impastata, or buy good quality ricotta, line a strainer with cheesecloth, place the cheese in it, and drain overnight or a full day. ½ cup granulated sugar. 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1/4 cup mini chocolate chips or finely chopped chocolate. Confectioners sugar, for dusting. Directions. Heat the oil in your deep fryer to 320 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius. With the mixer, combine the cake flour, all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, lard, rum, honey, salt, cinnamon, egg, and just enough water so that it attains a dough-like consistency. The amount of water you need to add will vary according to the outside temperature and humidity. Roll the dough to the thickness of pasta, which is about 1/4 inch. Using a cannoli cutter, an oval-shaped cookie cutter, cut out as many cannoli as you can. Arrange several cannoli ovals in a row and place a cannoli rod down the center. Flip the cannoli up and over, sealing the edges where they meet by lightly brushing the dough with egg wash and pressing so the edges adhere. Deep fry the cannoli shells, being careful not to crowd the oil, until golden brown, about 3 minutes. Slip them off the cannoli tube and let cool completely. Combine the ricotta, granulated sugar, cinnamon, and chocolate. Using a large tip pastry bag, pipe the ricotta mixture into the cooled cannoli. Sprinkled with confectioner's sugar and serve.